Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how you can try and fix the Check Fuel Fill Inlet message on any newer Ford. Now this message typically appears on newer Fords equipped with easy fuel system, so that means there is no gas cap on the vehicle. Also with this message quite often you will also get check engine light on. If you connect the scanner to diagnose this check engine light, you will get either small or large EVAP leak code. And now I will show you what you can try doing to fix it. And like I said, this video should apply to any newer Ford that's equipped with easy fuel system. Okay, so first I will explain what happens and why you get this code. So if I open this gas door, you will see easy fuel system. No gas cap, and just down here there is like a small door, and behind this door there is also like a rubber seal. So what happens, this small door doesn't close all the way, and then the air gets inside and that triggers the sensor and you get this message displayed and you get the check engine light. So in case you take this vehicle to a dealer, most likely what will happen, they will just tell you have to replace this complete inlet and that will fix the problem. Yes, that will fix the problem, but it will be quite expensive. So what you can try doing, you can try lubricating that seal and then just close and open this door several times, and that should take care of the problem. Now this might happen again in the near future, then you do it again. If it keeps happening, then unfortunately you might have to replace this part, but it doesn't hurt to give it a try, right? Okay, so I have to tell you one more thing. Now to be able to open this door, you will have to use like a small funnel which came supplied with this vehicle, or you have to take the vehicle to a gas station to use the fuel dispenser or something, because you have like two tabs, one on this side, one on the other side. You have to push them at the same time to be able to open this door. So in my case, this is a Taurus and I have this small funnel. So if I insert it, it's gonna push on those two tabs and I can open that small door, okay? And this is what you pretty much have to do. Use some WD-40 and then just open and close this door several times. I will show you now how to do it. Okay. Now get the funnel and just open and close this door multiple times, and then again repeat it like 3 or 4 times, and that should lubricate that seal, and this door should be closing all the way and the sensor should not be tripped anymore. So this is the idea behind it. Now I don't want to again use too much of this, but this is a small hack what you can try doing, so you don't have to spend too much money and replace all of this. Also you can use some clean cloth just to also lubricate all of that. And this should take care of the message displayed, but the check engine light will not go on by itself. You have to reset it using the OBD2 scanner, and then if it doesn't come back, then you will fix the problem, at least for a while. And I can tell you how easier it's now to open this door. It was it was going really hard and not even opening all the way and closing. And now it's like perfect. Yeah, and we'll see. I'll try to start the vehicle now if there is the message there again, but I'm pretty sure it will be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.